Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out upcoming matches on the 433 football application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should go to your home page and then slide down. Scroll down, and after that here in the matches section, tap on see all in the right side of the screen. Tap on schedule, and here you can find a calendar that you can slide to the right side to proceed in time. And as you can see, here is today's match that you can check out. If you tap on it, here you can find information about it, such as the competition type, the stadium, and also you can check out the prediction and make your own prediction. And here you can find the last games as well. So if you want to turn on a notification, tap on this bell in the upper right corner of the screen to be reminded of the match itself. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.